I'm still on this same roof and I haven't lifted a sheet yet because I was just choosing the sheet I needed to lift. And the funny thing about this is you wouldn't notice anything at all wrong with this, and I didn't even notice right at the start. But when I went to lift a sheet, there's something really wrong with these sheets, and it's hard to tell. But see that overlap there, right? This sheet's sitting on top of that one, right? And over here, this sheet is sitting on top of this one, right? Now normally this on this side would be lapped underneath this sheet, right? But whoever's put it down last time couldn't get it back in properly, and it's just sat it on top. So that doesn't make any difference down here, but up that end there, sometimes it can cause a roof leak if it's lapped the wrong way. So you do have to be careful.